Alex was sitting on his couch on a Tuesday afternoon, eating lunch, watching Netflix, and $1,350 hit his bank account. He didn't send an email. He didn't show up anywhere. He didn't do anything. That money came in while he was doing absolutely nothing. Now, before you roll your eyes and think, here we go, another passive income fantasy, stick with me. Because what Alex also won't tell you in his Instagram posts is that it took him 3 brutal years, $223,000 in capital, and over 380 hours of work to get to that Tuesday afternoon. I'm Vish. Welcome to VishInvest, where we skip the fantasy and talk about what actually works. Today we're breaking down the 4 real income streams Alex built, exactly what each one cost him, and whether any of them are actually worth your time. Real quick before we get into it, passive income doesn't mean no work. It means you do the hard work once, and it keeps paying you long after. Think of it like planting a tree. You dig, you water, you wait. Most people quit during the waiting. Alex didn't. Here's what he built. Stream 1. Dividend-paying stocks. $1,350 every single month. This is that Tuesday afternoon money. Alex invested $180,000 into dividend-paying stocks and index funds. Every month, without lifting a finger, $1,350 lands in his account. He checks his portfolio maybe once a quarter. That's it. Sounds amazing, right? Here's the part that's not on his Instagram. Alex spent 5 years saving that $180,000. 5 years of living with roommates in his late 20s when his friends were renting nice apartments. 5 years of driving a 2009 Honda Civic when his colleagues were leasing BMWs. 5 years of saying no to trips, dinners, and weekends away. It sucked. He'll tell you that himself. But today that $180,000 works for him every single day, whether he's awake or asleep. This is the most genuinely passive income on this list. The catch? You need real capital. If you're starting from zero, this won't happen overnight. But every dollar you invest today is a future Tuesday afternoon. Stream 2. Rental property. $650 per month, most of the time. Alex owns a small condo. He rents it out for $1,850 a month. After mortgage, insurance, and HOA fees, he clears $650. Not bad. But here's what a random Tuesday actually looked like for Alex last year. He got a text at 7 a.m., water heaters broken. He spent the next 3 hours calling plumbers, getting quotes, coordinating access. Cost him $1,200 in half his day. That's not passive income. That's a part-time job you can't quit. And it gets worse. His tenant moved out last spring. The condo sat empty for 2 months while Alex scrambled to find someone new. That's $3,700 in lost rent. Gone. So, is it worth it? Alex says yes, but only because the property itself is growing in value. And in 10 years, when the mortgage is paid off, that $1,850 is almost pure profit. But let's be honest, calling this passive is a lie. It's less work than a full-time job, but it is absolutely work. Go in with your eyes open. Stream 3. Selling on Amazon, $350 a month, mostly on autopilot. Alex doesn't have a warehouse. He doesn't pack boxes. He doesn't even touch a single product. He sells custom-designed t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases through Amazon's print-on-demand program. Someone buys, Amazon prints it, Amazon ships it. Alex gets a cut. Simple in theory. Here's the reality. He spent 2 months just researching before he designed a single thing, not slapping a funny quote on a shirt. That market is completely dead. Instead, he found a hyper-specific hobby community that was underserved, and he designed for them. Then he created 60 designs over 4 months, around 200 hours of work total. And here's the brutal truth. Out of those 60 designs, just 8 of them make 90% of his money. The other 52 essentially do nothing. He had no idea which ones would win until he put them out there. Month 1, $0. Month 3, $0. Month 6, $23. Slowly it grew. Now it sits at $350 a month and it's still climbing. The beautiful thing, Upfront costs were under $200. You don't need $180,000 for this one. You need patience, research, and volume. Most people quit after their first 10 designs flop. Alex didn't. That's the whole secret. Stream 4. High Yield Savings Account. $175 a month for doing absolutely nothing. This one is almost embarrassing to talk about because it's so boring. Alex keeps $50,000 in a high-yield savings account, earning 4.2% APY. Every month, $175 appears. No work, no decisions, no stress. It just sits there and grows. The catch: you need $50,000 and $175 a month isn't going to change your life. But here's how Alex thinks about it. That's his emergency fund. Money he needs to keep liquid anyway. And instead of sitting in a regular bank account earning basically zero, it generates $175 every single month just for existing. Is this going to make you rich? No. Is it actually genuinely 100% passive? Yes. This is what real passive income looks like. Boring. Quiet? Automatic? Beautiful. Now let's put it all together. Dividends, $1,350. Rental property, $650 averaged over the year. Amazon, $350. Savings interest, $175 total, $2,525 every month, $30,300 a year. Alex lives on this, but here's what it actually cost to build. Capital invested, $180,000 in stocks, $35,000 property down payment, $8,000 in repairs. That's $223,000. Time invested, 40 hours on dividend research, 80 hours finding and buying the property, 60 hours on repairs and setup, 200 hours building the Amazon store. That's 380 hours of real work. Plus 3 years of living below his means, saving aggressively and saying no to a lot of things he wanted. So the next time you see a passive income guru promising you easy money with no effort, that's the number they're hiding from you. 380 hours, $223,000, 3 years. Here are 5 things Alex wishes someone had told him before he started. First, passive income is the wrong name. Call it delayed income. You grind hard up front and the money comes later. Most people want the money now, so they quit. Second, you need capital, time, or both. There is no third option, no hack, no shortcut, no loophole. Third, expect 12 to 24 months before any stream generates meaningful money. If you're not okay with that, this path isn't for you. Fourth, diversification is your safety net. When Alex's Amazon store had a slow month, dividends didn't care. When the rental sat empty, savings interest kept ticking. Don't build one stream, build several. And fifth, this one is important. If someone is selling you a course on passive income, their passive income is the course. If the method was so good, they'd just do the method. Think about that. So here's the real truth. What Alex built is real. $2,525 a month without a traditional job is real. But it is not easy. It is not fast. And it did not happen by accident. If you have capital, start with dividends and let your money work while you sleep. If you have time but no money, start with Amazon print on demand, but commit to at least 18 months before you judge it. If you have neither right now, that's okay. Focus on your career, build your income, save aggressively, and use that foundation to start. There is no shortcut. Anyone telling you otherwise is selling something. If this helped you cut through the BS, hit that like button and subscribe to VishInvest for real money talk. And if you're in your 20s watching this, you have one massive advantage Alex wishes he had: time. The earlier you start, the less capital you need. I already made a video on the 7 things smart people buy in their 20s to grow wealth. It pairs perfectly with everything we just talked about. The link is on your screen. Go watch that next. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.